EKIOMBE igetenete obochori n'ekimbebe kia IEBC nigo kianekirie okweroberia gwikiranu ase obochori oboke oboborachi gokorekana ase ebunge ya Olkarau imeye county ya Nyandarua. Nigo EKIOMBE kio kiaboririe bari bagwaka chikura ase chinsemo echio banyako bagwika ase biteseni erio koenekia ng'a amarietabo na rororo.
As you all know, elections in Olkarau will be held on the 16th of July.
EKIOMBE getenenere obochori n'ekimbebe IEBC kiaenekirie okwebanga kwa obochori oboke bw'ebunge ya Olkarau county ya Nyandarua nyuma y'obochori obu bore chitariki 15 cy'omutyeni oyo kago kwanekere ekio n'abarari omunyakerogo bwa IEBC Rasta Sethekon nigaerera buna ebintu bigo chigotumekwa ase obochori obo byabiekirwe amo n'abateneneri koegwa maegerio.
The Commission therefore wishes to inform the nation that all preparations for the by-election scheduled for Thursday, the 16th of July 2026, to fill the position of Member of National Assembly for Olkarau constituency in Nyandarua County are progressing as scheduled. So far, several critical milestones have already been achieved, and these include the completion of procurement and delivery of election materials, both critical and non-critical, to Olkarau, gazettement of all the candidates that have been cleared to run for these elections for Member of Parliament in Olkarau, the setting up of polling stations and the tallying centers where the electors will cast their votes and be counted. We have also completed the servicing and testing and configuration of our technology. As you know, Electoral Commission of Kenya, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, uses technology for both voter identification and of course
Etekon nigaerera buna enamba y'abakikikura nigo yaenegetigwa ase ebituo byonsi byogwakera chikura boigo niga abanyweri abananchi buna chikampeni nigo chiaerete chitariki 13 chinsa 12 chiamarogoba na boigo okorwa ogokurerwa buna onde bwensi oratoke kagenderete ne chikampeni nigo araimukerigwe getambokero.
As a commission, we continue working with our partners to offer voter education to the voters of Olkarau so that they understand how to exercise their rights. And we continue with stakeholder engagement up to tomorrow, where our team of commissioners will also be in Olkarau to meet with stakeholders, to meet with the candidates and their agents so that we agree on the final rules. The Commission reminds all stakeholders that the campaign has officially ended yesterday on Monday, 13th of July 2026 at 6 p.m. in line with the gazetted election timelines.
IEBC boigo nigo yaruro kobolia gochia saba menyi abo goikase bituo chinsa chibwenerete bale amone kebande kiabo ase barachie komanyekana gotumeka chinchera chekerero chia Kims batuguteira rogwa kachibicha lisakaralie kura magega yogwake kura gagotebege kolekyo nigo gekogenda mamincha nobo bisibwe chikura nokomocha ase obochori na onde bwensi oragende mamincha nigo
and therefore, we request that any form of campaigning or engagement of voters after that time has ended is prohibited. And anybody engaged in further campaigns contrary to the laws is committing an electoral offense and is in breach of the Electoral Code of Conduct. And as a result, if we find anybody who is engaging in campaigns beyond the gazetted timeline, that person will face the consequence.
Kolibota ligeta seni gen soko, elitalia nende bora, mwenesi.